Greetings and welcome to Agile Sync. So Agile Sync is a unique add-on for Agile Store Locator, which allows you to synchronize your store data across multiple external REST API endpoints. So if you're frustrated from manually updating your store data across multiple platforms, then we have good news for you. With Agile Sync, you'll be able to automate the entire updating process, which will give you more time to focus on other essential tasks. Furthermore, with Agile Sync, you can set up synchronization schedules with some of the most popular platforms out there, such as Google Sheets, Smartsheet, Salesforce, and other REST API endpoints as well. So let's go over a brief demo on how Agile Sync works. Let's head over to WordPress, go to Agile Store Locator, and click on Agile Sync. Once we are here, we will click on Add New Sync Job. And in the section over here, let's add an API title. Let's call it Test Sync 123, for example. And for this demo, let's go with Google Sheets. Now we just need to add these fields over here. So let's do that one by one. First, let's add the sheet ID. Next, we'll add the API key. Now lastly, we will add the sheet name. Once that is done, click on Start Mapping. And in the next section, we will map the store fields to the API fields. For example, API item ID will be the same as store ID. Title will be title. Latitude will be latitude. And so on and so forth. Let's map a few more fields and then we'll continue. So once that is done, we can scroll down here and click on Save Mapping. Now in this section, we can set up our frequency schedule. Let's set it for Ideally Sync. And let's enable it. You can also get an email notification of the sync by enabling this button over here. So let's do that. And click on Finish. That's been updated successfully. So as you can see, our new sync job has been added. To execute it, simply click on this button over here. You'll get a notification that the service has been executed. And you will also get an email notification similar to the one that appears over here. So Agile Sync comes with a bunch of features that are designed to give you a smooth and pleasant experience. And these features will be displayed right now. Let's go over one of these features, which is the password protected API key. So if you go over to the Stores API tab over here, you can generate a password protected API key, which will protect your store data. So click on Generate to generate the API key. Make sure it's enabled from this button over here. So once you click on this link here, you will be taken to the store data page. And if someone tries to access this page without the API key, like so, they will not be able to access this page. And this keeps your data safe. So if you're ready to upgrade your store data management, get Agile Sync today by visiting our purchase page. That's all for this video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.